In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meeting link in Zoho Mail. We'll walk through creating a calendar event and turning it into a shareable link that anyone can open to see the event details. Start by opening your browser and going to mail.zoho.com. Once your Zoho Mail loads, you'll be on your inbox page. Look to the left-hand side panel and select Calendar. This switches you from Mail to your calendar view. If the sidebar is minimized, expand it and choose the calendar icon. Inside Calendar, create a new event. Click the New Event button, often at the top left, or use the plus sign if that's what you see. An event window opens with fields for the basics. Enter a clear event title. Pick something descriptive like Project Check-in or Client Review, so anyone who receives the link immediately understands what the meeting is about. Next, set the date and time. Choose the correct day, start time, and end time. Double check your time zone if you work with people in different regions, and make sure you aren't overlapping with another meeting. A well-defined start and end time helps others plan and avoids confusion. Add a brief description. This is the place for the agenda, any preparation notes, or context that helps attendees know what to expect. Keep it concise but informative. When everything looks right, click Save. At this point, the event is created on your calendar. Back in the calendar view, find the event you just saved and click it to open its details panel. Here, you'll see options related to the event. Choose the Share option. This opens sharing controls so you can decide who can view the event. Set the visibility to public, then apply the change. Making it public allows Zoho to generate a shareable event page. Only include information you're comfortable sharing publicly, since anyone with the link will be able to view the event details. Finally, copy the link that's generated. You can paste this link into an email, a chat message, or a document so others can access the event page. A quick tip: test the link in a private or incognito window to confirm it opens correctly and shows exactly what you intended. And that's it. You've created a calendar event in Zoho Mail, adjusted its sharing to public, and copied a meeting link you can send out. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a refresher.